front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access display. Then you need to select motion smoothness and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you, adaptive or standard. To save your changes, hit apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!